Today we want to give you an overview of ITISeasy.connect. ITISeasy.connect, connect together. Let me introduce you in the subject. Today's fast world needs data interfaces between several systems to connect to each other, in most cases in real time. ITISeasy.connect helps you solving that by giving you a toolset which can be configured to connect ITISeasy business systems to any other system or to other ITISeasy business instances. It is using a message broker on a separate system to transfer and adjust data in the needed format for the target system. With this dynamic option, you can connect any other system. On the ITISeasy business side, you can configure what records you want to transfer. Also, you can configure what exactly should be sent. It's not always necessary to sync the complete record. The example we are showing you today will be an intercompany example between two ITISeasy business systems. In our scenario, we will create a sale order in our company ITIS AG in Germany. This company is selling a product to ITIS LLC, which is located in the US. The sale order from Germany should be automatically transferred to the US company and creating a purchase order in there. We also will first create a product in ITIS Germany, which will be transferred to the ITIS US. Let's start with the configuration of ITISeasy.connect. ITISeasy.connect can be installed using the app list in ITISeasy Business. After installation, you will find a symbol on the left side which is called Message Broker. When you click on it, you receive the first screen. First, let us start with the configuration of the module. You need to configure first of all a local configuration. The local configuration means the local system and its sync word. The sync word is used for identifying the system exactly. After we have defined the local configuration, we need to define the WSO server's configuration. This server is actually defined in here. There we can use different URI controller receive URLs to configure our receiver dynamically. After we have configured this, we need to configure our target system. The target system is the system where we want to send the data to. In our case, we have configured a different ITISeasy business instance, which is called ITIS US. It uses also the same sync word as our master to identify that they both are connected together. We can also define the database name if we have multiple databases installed. We need to give an account as well as a password to sync records to the other system. After we have configured our slave configuration, our WSO configuration and our local configuration, we now want to configure the sync model. We will find them under Send Message, Sync Model. You see, we already have filled some of these. Let's look into detail into that. The sync model is used to identify a specific record which should be sent to another system. You can use the sync name to define a freely named text field for your sync. Then you select the model. The model, you can select any of the models available in ITISeasy Business. With the domain filter, you have several options to configure what products are synced. For example, if you only want to sync saleable products to the other system, you can do that. Or if you want to use only products from a specific region to be synced. Also, you can use, as in our example, IDs which should be synced. In our case, only IDs greater than this number are syncable. The next thing we need to configure is the slave IDs. Here, as you see, we have selected our target system, ITIS US. Then we also define what records we want to sync. New records, all records, or in a specific date. The last sync date is set automatically by the first sync. Now let's come to the special point which we skipped until now, which is the field list. The field list defined what of product should be synced to the slave or target system. In this case, you see we have already configured the field list with some fields. For example, we use the barcode or the company ID to be synced to the different system, as well as the name from the product. You can add, just by clicking add a line, you can add any parameter from the model product you want to know. The last thing we can configure on our sync model is the generation and sending dates and intervals. It can be helpful for different systems to generate only data in separate times, for example in a number of minutes or hours. You can configure whenever ITISeasy Business should generate these records and when he should send it. This saves the target system for overload from ITISeasy Business. Of course, for connecting ITISeasy Business with ITISeasy Business, you can use the minimum interval, which is 1 second, to sync records.